Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to install Everycom 901 printer on a Windows computer. To install this printer on a computer, you will require a driver. Usually, we get the drivers from the printer's official website, but in this case, the Everycom company doesn't provide the driver. As you can see, I'm on the Everycom's official website and they are not providing the drivers. So that is why I'm making this video tutorial. I have provided the driver download link in the video description below. You can download the drivers from there. After download the driver, you should know the proper method to install this printer on your Windows computer. So please come on the screen and follow my steps. This is the file that you need to download from the video description below. After download, you just need to double click on that. Make sure your printer is connected through the USB cable and select the preferred language and click on OK. Click on Next. Choose the first option. I have read and accept the license term and click on Next. Click on Install. Click on Next. It is installing the drivers. So here you need to choose the port. Click on that and choose the port. It should be 001 or 2 or mention with the Everycom printer name. So I'm going to the first one, USB 001. Don't get confused with the model number. This is Everycom 80 series printer. So the 901 is also a 80 series printer. So this driver will work with the 901 printer. So don't get confused and click on Next. Please wait while installing the drivers. Click on Finish. As you can see, the printer has been installed. Click on Start menu and Setting. We will check the printer has been installed or not. Click on Devices and then click on Printers. As you can see, the printer has been installed successfully. If you want, you can change their name. Click on Manage and click on Properties. Here you can change the name if you want. If you don't want, you can leave it. I will leave it. This is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.